It's time for today's health hack. Part of living a healthy life is being prepared in case of a health emergency. So taking a few easy steps can help make sure you're ready and give you peace of mind, just in case. Here are some tips to get you started. Number 3, make sure you have a first aid kit that's stocked and ready in case of an emergency. Keeping your supplies together and up to date means you know where to look if you need them and you can act fast. Number 2, make sure you know life-saving procedures like CPR and the Heimlich maneuver. These skills can help make all the difference in case of an emergency. And don't forget, there can be a difference between helping a child and helping an adult, so be sure to educate yourself first. There are plenty of community classes out there to get you started. And number 1, know when more help is needed. If you need to call 911 with a serious emergency, be prepared to give as much detail as possible to help them help you. It's also a good idea to make sure that children in your house are educated as well. That way, the whole family will know what to do in an emergency. For more health hacks, just head to our website, livinghealthytv.com. You want more content about living healthy? Well, it's easy. Check out these videos right here and subscribe right here for more.